Hey, good afternoon. Bill Bergstrom here, Grand Rapids Label. Another installment of the Grand Rapids Label video series. Today we're talking with Scott Dobrowolski. Scott is the Director of Manufacturing here at Grand Rapids Label. We're out here on the shop floor where Scott spends a huge amount of his time. And actually today we're going to talk about communication tools that happen on a daily basis here on the shop floor and some of the value that adds. So, Scott, maybe tell us a little bit about what we're looking at.
All right, thanks, Bill. Yeah, just to give you an idea, about 2.5 years ago, on part of our Grand Rapids Label Lean journey, we incorporated a daily Gemba walk. And also we have a daily huddle. So every employee, every day, beginning of first shift and second shift, is involved in a daily huddle. Quick communication tool to give them an idea of what's going on. On the Gemba walk, we actually have a cross-functional team that comes out to the plant, and we literally go through. We talk about safety, we talk about maintenance needs, we talk about quality needs, and then we run through a quick review of what their targets were and how did the day before go. And then any roadblocks in their way, we want to have the cross-functional team right there so that we can solve the issue and go back so there's not this miscommunication tool. And that happens every day, every shift. 5S, we also talk about 5S. 5S, as you can see by the lines, where the carts are out in the plant with our food safety is very important. So.
Everything with a place and everything in its place, right?
That's right.
Big part of making the factory floor sing on a daily basis. Thanks, Scott. Appreciate a little update on what we're doing. Again, thanks for watching, and look forward to connecting with everybody soon.